I'm gonna show you how to change your Chamberlain garage door opener battery. It's pretty simple to do. What you want to do is take this little hook out right here, and it'll fit right into this groove. And you turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. And you hear it snap open, and you can pry it on each little corner. But you don't have to. Only thing you have to do is now is just pull it back and it'll pop off. And if you look inside, you have a battery. It's a CR2032. So that means it's 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters thick. And you can use that same tool to pry the battery out. Then what you want to do is get you a new battery and replace the old one. And you can get these batteries in the description below, or go to your local CVS or Walgreens and pick them up. But once you got it out, you take your new battery and you hear it snap into place. Once you do that, you take your cover, and you see how I got this here. I line these little hinges up together, and I slowly push it into place, and I put my finger on the back side and I snap each corner. You can hear it click. And that's all to it. Like I said, the battery you need is a 2032. That's 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters thick. And you can put your little hook back on, so you can put it on your sun visor in your vehicle. And that's all to it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.